Hello, my friends and my family. This is T. LaShawna, as you already know, and I just want to speak with you for a brief moment regarding life support coming this Tuesday night. You've read about it, you've seen my post, you've seen the pictures, flyer, if you will, regarding this awesome time, awesome event. And I just want to give you some brief information and a guide of what to expect this coming Tuesday. A life support is simply a time of study, a time of impartation that has been designed with everyone in mind, and it is exactly what it says. It is support for the lives that we are living, regardless of the capacity that we are living them on, regardless of who we are. We need to know who God says we are and who God has designed us to be in the earth. I believe that not only are we God's presentation, but we are His representation in the earth realm. And we won't be able to walk fully into that if we don't know who we are. And so that's what life support is all about. I encourage you all that can and will to join me this Tuesday night. We're going to have an awesome time of study, an awesome time of impartation, and we will be taping live in front of a live audience. I look forward to seeing you there. For more information, visit me on Facebook, email, text us, official TLaShawna@gmail.com. God bless you, and thank you so much.